Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best cookie presses. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Cookie Press Set. OXO products are known for their reliability, and this cookie press is no exception. The plastic press has a transparent body to easily see when you are running low on dough, and it has a non-slip base to keep it secure during use. The 12 stainless steel discs come in a variety of templates, including flower and butterfly. It has a comfortable grip and comes with a handy storage case to keep your discs together, and it disassembles easily for efficient cleaning. Additional sets of discs can be purchased for holidays and birthday parties. Easy to use and a breeze to clean, OXO's sturdy press has a see-through dough canister. A convenient storage case houses 12 stainless steel discs. Testers like the non-slip base, which keeps the press steady on the cookie sheet while you dispense cookie dough. The handle keeps things comfortable. Squeezing dozens of spritz cookies doesn't feel like a chore, and cleanup is a snap. Reliable recipes are included, and for additional holiday merriment, consider purchasing the set. Consistent cookies, interchangeable discs, comfortable lever, and convenience of use. This cookie press is the top baking device among products, as mentioned above. Besides, you can trust it since OXO has been a well-known brand over the years. You can make any cookie, such as spritz, croquettes, churros, and gnocchi for minutes with stainless steel discs. Plus, you have up to 12 patterns to shape the cookies, such as snowflake, wreath, sunflower, tree, leaf, shell, butterfly, and daisy. Besides, the press comes with an ergonomic lever for ease of pressing. The lever is also designed to use more than one time. It has a moderate size to handle effortlessly. This appliance is easy to use. You merely pour cookie dough inside this press and then squeeze the trigger immediately. The device is equipped with a non-slip base so that you can press steadily to dispense the dough. Furthermore, you can view the amount of remaining dough through a clear cylinder. You can disassemble quickly to load and clean the model conveniently. Number 2. Wilton Preferred Press Cookie Press. This affordable model from powerhouse baking brand Wilton has a comfortable handle with a soft grip trigger. The clear dough tube allows you to see when it needs to be refilled, and the included 12 plastic discs come in a variety of designs, including pumpkins and hearts. The Wilton Simple Success cookie press comes apart easily and should be washed by hand. Compatible fondant, rollers, and cutout sets may be purchased separately to broaden its functionality. Budget-friendly offering from the baking enthusiasts at Wilton has a soft grip, easy squeeze lever, a plastic barrel, and 12 metal discs to inspire your cookie fantasies. This is lighter weight than some of the other brands we tried, but for the price, it has its fans. Thicker batters struggled in this press, and refrigerated dough also balked, so it's best to use this model with freshly made, room-temperature dough. For casual bakers, this model will do the trick. Its construction is a combination of metal and plastic materials. Plus, this appliance can resist corrosion during use. Furthermore, parts can disassemble simply for ease of cleaning and maintenance. Besides, you can check the amount of cookie dough left in a clear barrel. You distribute the cookie dough through discs evenly with a high-quality plunger. The product comes with an hourglass design to fit your hand size when in use. With how easy it is to use this cookie press, you'll be able to effortlessly make scrumptious cookies to welcome the fall, summer, winter, and spring. That's right. Now that you have this fantastic product, you can indulge yourself in these crumbly treats all year round. Number 3. Kuhn Rikon Cookie Press and Storage Box. If organization is a concern in your kitchen, opt for this model that comes with a storage box to keep everything tidy. The Kuhn Rikon Cookie Press comes with an impressive 14 discs, 6 decorating tips, and even a camel disc for quirky cookies. There is a star-shaped template for cheese straws, and the decorating tips make frosting your cooled cookies a cinch. Crafted from stainless steel and plastic, hand washing is recommended. It comes apart with ease, and a recipe book is included. The clear cylinder allows you to see when you're running low on dough and also makes it easy to discern if it's been thoroughly cleaned. The motion is similar to a glue gun with a comfortable grip. Housed in a convenient and well-organized storage box, this easy-to-maneuver press has a comfortable stainless steel trigger, 14 aluminum discs that spark plenty of creativity, and a clear barrel to keep an eye on your dough amount. The overall feeling in the hand is somewhat less substantial than a press made of metal, but users applaud its smoothly piped dough and clear details. The kit includes discs suitable for creating cheese straws or cute animal shapes with ease, plus a squeeze bottle that's hungry for decorative icing. The coupler attachment and decorating tips are a plus for crafty types, and I've even used them for filling small tart shells. Instructions say the disassembled press is dishwasher safe, but that and the discs are better washed by hand. While it's not as sturdy as an all-metal counterpart, this press makes a great gift for any passionate cookie maker or decorator. Number 4. Marcato Atlas Biscuit Maker Cookie Press. The metal Marcato Atlas Deluxe comes in several color options sure to suit all tastes, and the impressive 20 discs included allow maximum flexibility with the types of cookies or biscuits you want to bake. The heavy-duty design handles doughs of many different textures with ease, and you can adjust your cookie size with the turn of a knob. It's easy to use and also easy to clean and refill. The durable steel construction is reliable and comes with a 10-year manufacturer's warranty. This cookie press is on the expensive side, but the elegant design is a welcome addition to any kitchen collection. Crafted in Italy out of heavy anodized aluminum, this cookie press is indeed splurge-worthy, but so well worth it. Made by a company dedicated to superior pasta-making machines and extruders, as well as using sustainable and health-conscious manufacturing processes, Marcato's expertise is evident when you remove this handsome gadget from its box. Attention to detail is evident in its sturdiness. The difference is night and day over other models made from plastic, and despite its heft, it is comfortable to use. 20 discs encourage year-round creativity, with plenty of holiday options. The handle provides good leverage and the adjustable knob allows you to choose from 2 sizes of cookies, small and large. Make sure to hand wash and dry the cookie press thoroughly, taking care to remove any stowaway dough. Read the enclosed booklet from cover to cover before use, and follow the directive to never place this machine in the dishwasher. Number 5. Spritz Biscuit Press Cookie. No need for cookie cutters with this kit. Each of the 4 nozzles, round, heart-shaped, snowman-shaped and star, is designed to form a perfectly shaped, perfectly round cookies on demand. The 20 discs included in this set are the perfect size for making 1-inch rounds or cookie-sized churros. This set is perfect for anyone who loves baking and decorating cookies but has a tough time finding time to make them. With this set, you will be able to make more time to bake more cookies. The Spritz Cookie Press Gun Kit makes 35 to 40 thin biscuits or 20 to 25 thick biscuits a time. The nozzle adjusts in size from 0.64 inches to 1.5. The press comes with 20 discs, 4 nozzles and an instruction booklet which explains how to use this press and make the perfect shapes for cookies and churros. The Spritz Cookie Press Gun Kit features thumb-actuated lever operation and detachable legs, making it simple to use with an included ejector button to easily release the dough. The press is made from stainless steel with a polycarbonate nozzle and measures 8 inches long. The set includes 20 discs, 4 nozzles and an instruction booklet.